Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today I have two related questions. The first is, if I'm a bankrupt, can I change my bankruptcy trustee? This question commonly comes about due to some disagreement between the bankrupt and the bankruptcy trustee. The answer is though, no. If you're the bankrupt, you actually can't change your bankruptcy trustee. What this also means is that if you're looking to declare your own bankruptcy, it's very important to choose a bankruptcy trustee who you think will do the right thing the whole way through the bankruptcy, not just until they sign you up and you can't change trustee. The second question is related to this. If I'm a creditor of a bankrupt estate, so the bankrupt owed me money and then went into bankruptcy, and if I'm not satisfied with the bankruptcy trustee, can I change the bankruptcy trustee? And the answer for this is it depends. If you're a large enough creditor relative to the size of all the other debts in the bankrupt estate, or there's enough of you, or together there's enough of you value-wise, as well as number, and it depends on how many creditors are in that bankrupt estate, then sometimes you can get a change of bankruptcy trustee. For example, I know a particular creditor who wasn't satisfied with how a particular estate was being run. They were the largest creditor and they said, Louisa, would you be willing to become the bankruptcy trustee of this particular bankrupt estate? We had a little talk about it, and in the end, the bankrupt estate ended up being transferred to me. So the answer to the question of can I change the bankruptcy trustee, in summary, depends on who you are in the bankrupt estate, and if you're a creditor, how large your debt is compared with the other debts owed by the bankrupt.